meteorologist Hannah Ronner is going to tell us about the heat index values and how hot they could be over the next several days.
Thanks, Scotty. So we had that triple-digit heat at the beach today. I also saw it over 100 in Lumberton. It was across some of the area, but it's just going to get more widespread as we head over the next couple of days. And eventually your heat index is going to be intensifying and also topping out throughout the weekend. So it is going to be a very hot weekend. As we look at your beach outlook, your temperature is going to be in red here. So for tomorrow and Friday, right around 90 degrees for Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach, 92 on Saturday. And that's when that heat index is going to be over that danger line of 103 degrees. Once you get to 103, the threat of heat exhaustion and heat stroke is going to be increasingly likely if you do not take proper precautions to protect yourself from the heat, like taking breaks in the shade and wearing loose colored clothing. So keep that in mind and drink plenty of water as we go throughout the next several days. And by the time we get to Sunday, the temperature is 94 and the feel like temperature 106. So for inland, you're going to be heating up a little bit sooner. Your initial air temperature is going to be higher. We'll be in the mid 90s for Thursday, Friday, up to 97 on Saturday with a feel like temperature of 108. So for the weekend, we could be looking at the hottest weekend of the year so far. So here's a look at our hottest temperatures that we've seen. North Myrtle Beach 93, that was on Friday. Florence was the 4th of July at 97, and then Lumberton only got to 96 so far as the high for the year. But that occurred 3 or 4 different times this month, on the 3rd, the 4th, the 7th, and the 13th. And here's the forecast for Sunday. 94 for North Myrtle Beach, 98 for Florence, and 97 in Lumberton. So even though these temperatures are very hot, usually we kind of hit higher temperatures earlier in the season. For instance, if we're talking about last year, the peak temperature that we've seen so far, North Myrtle Beach, last year we hit that June 14th, so that was technically before summer even started. Florence, that 97 was in the middle of May last year, and Lumberton, same thing. May 19th, we were already seeing temperatures in the mid to even upper 90s, but we need to be prepared for this weekend and not focus on the past because it looks like the hottest weekend of the year, but luckily it's going to be pretty calm and tame for tonight. Scotty?
Yeah, thank you, Hannah. It's definitely going to be on the calmer side tonight. We're going to see partly cloudy skies